Haper! The coconut wants to cook! Then we must listen to it. This is Thịt Kho Tàu. Oh. A TED classic. Eggs need patience. Timer ready.
This cut is perfect.
Fat and lean balance approved.
Yes, it is.
Natural sweetness. Coconut magic. This gives deep flavor. Smells like home. Aromatic base. Fragrant power. Time to caramelize. Mayo, airbow, no. Oh, careful with sweetness. Perfect color. Golden magic. Seal the flavor. Sizzle attack. Now we slow cook. Slow is delicious. Smooth eggs. Smooth eggs. Egg buddies. Egg bowl. They soak the sauce. Ooh, flavor sponges. Flavor sponges. Patience. Patience makes it tender. Worth the wait. Look at that, so shiny. Fancy pork. Just right, balanced. It's beautiful. Comfort food. I can't wait to try it. The meat is really tender and sweet. It melts in your mouth. It feels like Tet. Warm and familiar. Like, share, and subscribe. Subscribe to Cooking with Miena and Haper for more heartwarming dishes.